everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of online privacy and security with a simple but effective method to improve your digital footprint. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a custom VPN using the NPV Tunnel app with a ShadowSocks server. This setup helps make your internet traffic more secure and your activity harder to track. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. First, go to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for NPV Tunnel and install the app. This app will act as your secure VPN gateway to encrypt your internet traffic and protect your data online. Step 2. Now, open any web browser and search for UDP Custom. Go to the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll generate our ShadowSocks server, which will work as the remote endpoint for your secure VPN tunnel. Step 3. On the UDP Custom website, tap the menu, hamburger icon. From the drop-down, select SSH servers, then tap ShadowSocks server. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel, drop your questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, choose a server location, click Create, complete the reCAPTCHA, and tap Generate. Once done, you'll see your ShadowSocks server details. Step 4. Make sure to copy the server address, port, and password. You'll use these in the next step to configure the NPV Tunnel VPN. Step 5. Go back to the NPV Tunnel app. Tap the Servers button on the home screen. Then, tap the plus icon to add a new server. Step 6. Tap on Import from Clipboard and select V2Ray config. The app will create a new VPN profile based on the copied server information. Step 7. Return to the home screen of NPV Tunnel and press Connect. That's it. You've successfully set up a custom VPN using NPV Tunnel and a ShadowSocks server. This setup can significantly improve your online privacy, helping protect your data when browsing or using public networks. While VPNs are powerful tools, always stay informed about the latest security threats and keep your apps and tools updated regularly. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Drop your questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.